Hey guys, I know it's another new face, but don't worry, I'm Jaden Elmore. I'm the new host of PVAMU Hit and Run, and today we're going to be going behind the scenes of the Prairie View Panthers practicing for the Cactus Jack Classic in Houston, Texas. Here we go.
How's it going, everyone? This is Colin Parker, the producer for PVU Hit and Run, and today we will look at the producer's point of view on how the Cactus Jack Classic will go for the Prairie View Panthers. So going off from being champions of the tournament in 2024, we're going to have a big old target on our back. So one of the things that has to be worked on is our pitching skills. We absolutely have to be persistent and consistent with pitching. If we can do that, then it'll be hard for the opposing team to connect with the ball. Coach Macon has been working with those guys all day, every day on how to place the ball. Remember, it's not how fast you throw the ball to the catcher. It's considered a craft. You have to know where to put the ball and how to put the ball. That's what can lead to great defense on the field, which can lead to wins, and 3 wins is a guaranteed title for the Cactus Jack. The next thing to touch up on is the bats. Hot bats are needed to win this tournament as well. The lineup of the batters will definitely be key on how the Panthers can rack up RBIs and home runs. Key players we will need to see something from is Michael Burrows, Landon Williams, and Braden Johnson. These guys are always ready to give their team a boost when needed most, so we will definitely be on the lookout Cactus Jack weekend to see what they can spark up. The last thing to touch up on is team chemistry. If it's not one of the most important factors for this team, then it is number 1 on the list. Everyone has to be together and on the same page for this tournament. It will be nothing like last year. None at all. It starts with leaders like Mason High School and Braden Johnson leading our Panthers toward victory. These two have shown in and day out how to be a leader and give it 100% on any given day. If this team can show up better than last year, then it will be another Cactus Jack heading back to Waller County. Alright, that's it from me. It's now time to send it to Jaden Elmore to interview Landon Williams and Braden Johnson.
Hello, I'm Jaden Elmore, and I'm interviewing sophomore Landon Williams. And I wanted to ask you a few questions in preparation for the Cactus Jack tournament. What's the key thing to look forward to in this Cactus Jack tournament in Houston? What's the key thing you're looking forward to?
Man, I think if we just go out and compete, we have a lot of great keys to the team. We have great returners, couple preseason nominees for first team, second team All-SWAC. And we got a great new team of transfers. So I think we're going to make a name for ourselves this tournament and hopefully start off 3-0. So
that's good. What's the mental preparation preparing for an intense tournament like the Cactus Jack tournament, go competing with other HBCUs? What's the mental preparation been like for this?
Man, I would say talking to returners who have done this before. One guy to name is Mason High School. That's one of my guys. This is his 3rd time doing this now, so he's done this before, and I think a lot of prayer too. Talking to God and asking Him for peace over the anxiety, and just it's gonna be a lot of fun. There's nothing like this, so I'm very excited. So
you're a little nervous?
I would say a little bit, but I think once I get that first ground ball and first hit out of the way, it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna be good. So.
It was good interviewing you. Good luck at the tournament.
Yes, sir. Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hello, I'm Jaden Elmore, interviewing Braden Johnson here in preparation for the Cactus Jack Classic. And I wanted to know, what's the key thing to look forward to in this upcoming tournament in Houston?
So the key for us would be carrying what we worked on all fall, all winter, and our scrimmages into the game. Because the key is being consistent. The teams that are the best, you could have the best skill, you could have the worst skill, but if you're the most consistent team, it'll prove a positive result for you in the end. So we're looking to be consistent and carry on what we've been working on.
And what's the mental preparation been like preparing for the intense tournament, competing with other HBCUs at the Minute Maid Park? What's it been like preparing for this type of tournament?
Oh, man, it's been a battle because last year we went 3-0 to start off at the Cactus Jack Classic, and we ended up winning the Cactus Jack Classic. So we know that we've been saying that there's a little target on our back, and we kind of see ourselves like the big dogs, like we don't have a target on our back because that's like we're the prey,
Yeah.
We're like the lions, and they're like the hyenas. They're trying to take what we got, you know what I mean? So we're just trying to stay ready so that, we can be our best, and, we're competing every play, can't take a pitch off.
You more nervous or excited?
I'm more excited. But last year, I didn't get to play. I had a torn ACL, so I'm extremely excited. I'm going to have a lot of friends and family in the stands, and it's exciting. I just can't wait.
And it was great interviewing you. Good luck at the tournament. Hope you knock it out the park,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
to meet you, Jaden.
Nice to meet you too. If you made it this far in the show, sorry, we're out of time. Next time you'll see the Prairie View Panthers, they'll be in Houston, Texas in the Cactus Jack Classic. Remember, PV Hit and Run is on all social media platforms. My name is Jaden Elmore, and so long.